Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your profile on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my profile, or my tutorial profile, let's say, and I'm on the main page. Now, what you're going to first do before editing your profile is locate the option to do so, and you do that by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right and going into your profile. As you can see over here, I have this button that says edit profile, which you're gonna want to click to start making changes. Now, you can make changes however you want in here, and this is what it looks like. Whoops, this is the professional dashboard. If I go to edit profile, this is what it looks like. As you can see, you can change your name, your username, your pronouns, your bio. You can change your picture or avatar, add a link, add banners, do whatever you want pretty much. And for example, let me just change and show the threads badge, for example. And now that I've done that, I have this threads badge under my name, and that's just one example of an edit you can make on your profile. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.